Mastering Financial Modeling with Excel. Conclusion. You started this course with a simple question: what is financial modeling, and why does it matter for businesses? You're ending it with something far more valuable: a complete toolkit for making data-driven business decisions. But here's what really matters. You didn't just learn formulas. You learned to think like a financial analyst. You understand that revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, but cash is king. Every business decision has financial implications that can be modeled. The best model in the world is useless if stakeholders cannot understand it. Professional formatting and structure are as important as accurate calculations. A model should be flexible enough to handle change without breaking. Scenario analysis prepares you for uncertainty better than any single forecast. You should understand that the Greenleaf Bakery example used throughout this course was fictional, but the skills you've built are real. Every template you created, every formula you wrote, and every dashboard you designed. These are tools you can use immediately in your career or business. Moving forward in your career, it doesn't matter the task. Analyzing a startup idea, managing a department budget, or advising business owners. You now have the confidence and competence to turn messy data into clear insights and good decisions into great ones.